Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. I am Diwakar Singh. In this tutorial, we are going to make sign up screen in Kotlin and designing using Constraint Layout. Then we will learn how to code for uploading image from camera or gallery into the image view. So let's start. As you can see, this is the screen from our previous video in which we made login screen. So I am continuing from this. So to make it look good, I'm going to drag and drop the image view. Then select one image from the bitmap folder. Then I will set its constant, right and left to the parent and top also to the parent and bottom with the phone number of top. Then I will go to the split and do some changes. I prefer Android's SRC for the static images. Sometimes with the app SRC compared images does not visible. Then I will change its width and height to 105 dp, and that's it. So now it is looking good. Let's run and check it. Meanwhile it is getting installed, we can create one more activity, which is our sign up activity. New activity, empty activity, and then we will name it as sign up activity. Finish. So now sign up activity has just been created and our app is also get installed. So this is our logo. Now it is looking good. So now I'm going to do some more changes in login screen, like I'm going to put a text over here for creating intent for the sign up screen. Let's set its constant. And change its text to like register here, or you can change its name like sign up here, or like if you do not have account, sign up here. We'll change its margin. Now we can make it same like this. We can change its text color, text style, text size, text color like black, or whatever you want to choose. I'm choosing black, and that's it. Let's run it. going to create an intent first. Set on click list. And now call an intent. From this class to sign up activity class. And then start activity with the same intent. We can do like this also to make it to the one line. Now, as I can see, we have text here, and if I will run this code, and now if I will click on this text view, it will go to the sign up activity. Right now our sign up screen is blank, so it is showing the blank screen. And if I will go to the back, we'll have a login screen. So let's start designing our sign up screen. First, we'll drag and drop the image view. Let's copy the image view code from here. Just remove the bottom constraint and give some margin from the top. If you want to give more margin, you can give as per your need. As you can see, it is set. Now I will drag and drop the text view, not text view, edit text. For the name, and one more for the email. Just below it. One for the password. Set its constant to the right and left of the image view, so that all the edit text will get aligned. Now I will take the one more parameter for the phone number. Now let's give some margin and change its width. Now if I will set all as match constant, it will take all the width of the screen. Now let's give some margin from the top and right and left. Like I am giving the margin from left and right just for the name, and it is happening for others also. This was the benefit of this is the benefit of constraint layout. Like you can change for one, it will do it for others also. Make some margin from the top so that it has some space from image view. Give some spacing for email also. Then for password, and then for the phone number. Change its text to full name. Change its text to the email address. Or remove the text and put it into the hint. No phone text. Now change it. Put some hint for password. And for phone number. Now let's check its input type is phone. Its input type is text password. Its input type is email address. Yeah, everything is perfect. Now we'll drag one more text view for the sign up button. How we can copy and paste the code of login also, but let's do it for sign up separately. Change its to match constant, height to wrap content, and change its text to sign up. IDS sign up, and we can give gravity to the center so that text will align it to the center. Give some padding or change the text size. Let's remove this text view. We'll put the button over here. Set its constant to the right and left of the phone number, top to the bottom of the phone number, and set its bottom to the bottom of parent. Change its text to sign up and ID also as sign up. Change its background color to the red which is already defined into the color XML, and change its text color to white. And you can change its text style to bold, size to 14 dp, and font to Allo display. Or something from the default. So here it is. This is our sign up screen. Now we will run and check it how it looks. So this is the design of our sign up screen. Now we will go and do the coding of it, like how to upload the image from gallery or camera to put it over here. First we'll take the click on image view. What was its ID? Its ID is image u2. We can set it at like display picture. It was asking me for changing its instance for all. Yes, I have done. Yes. So now somehow it is not taking the ID. Let me rerun it or clean the project. Let's create a instance of it. So okay, this is the problem. I have made the activity of Java, so that's why it was not taking the ID directly. Let's cut the code of sign up screen and make one new activity with Kotlin. Name it as register activity. Remove this activity from the folder. Paste the code over here. Now it will take the ID directly. Dot set on click listener. Remove the bracket and place the parenthesis. Now for uploading the image from camera or gallery over here, we will place a dialog over here and give the two options to the user, like whether he wants to upload the image from camera or gallery. First we will create the builder for the allowed dialog. Allowed dialog dot builder. The context of register activity. Then we will set its name like title as select image, and we will set its message like a subtitle, or question like choose your option. Then we will set its positive button. Generally set here as yes or no or okay cancel in alert dialog, but we will put here as gallery and set its click listener. As we don't need this dialog interface dot on click listener because of the lambda functionality, we will remove it, or we can do like this also. Then we will make one negative button also, and name it as camera. Then we will make one variable of dialog and create the builder dot create, and whenever the user will click on image view, it will open the alert dialog and show its layout. So in both the positive and negative button, we will first dismiss the dialog which was open and write the logic for both the options. Now we will write the intent for both the options, as we have to open the third party application to upload the image in our image view. So for gallery, we will use the intent to open the gallery application or pictures application. intent in intent dot action pick the image, and we'll set the type over here, like this type of file we want to pick image. We'll set the type as image and image of every format. This is the meaning of star. Now generally we use start activity. In this feature we will use the star activity for result, because we want some value from the third application. Now here we will write the request code. Let's make it well variable so that it will be available throughout the file. We need it later. Give some value to it, 1 2 3, or it is for your choice. You do anything. Now this is for gallery. Now this will be used in the on activity result, which is the default override method of the activity. And now we will write the code for it, like how to get the image from the data and place it into the image view. If request code, this is the same request code which we sent over here, so we will check the request code is same or not. Then we will check the condition that result code is okay or not. It is inbuilt. We have these three inbuilt values which tell us like the result is okay or cancelled. So we'll check for it. Then we'll check the data is not equal to null. After these validation, we will set our image view. Its name was display picture dot set image URI, because it gives the image in URI format, like data dot data. And we'll put the else statement also if data gets null or something went wrong. Let's run the code for the gallery. I got error here because initially we declared as sign up activity, which is not here anymore. So now I change it to the register activity. Now we can check the image will upload from gallery or not, and set it go to the image view. We'll select the image over here, and it is set. Now we will do the code for camera also. First, let's set it as register activity and change the scale type to center crop so that the image will take the whole area of image view. Now let's write the code for the camera. First we will declare the permission over here for the camera, then check, then we'll write the code to start the intent for the camera. Media store dot action image capture. Then we will write dot also. Also is a type of scope function which we use to return the same object type after modification of its component. So in this we will name it as take picture intent, either of it. So as I take picture intent, dot resolve activity to get the packet manager. Then I will check for the safe call and again apply the also. Then I will check for the permission, that do I have the permission of camera or not. Okay, so I have to write Android first over here, then manifest, then permission. Now I will check for if the permission is granted to me or not. If it is not granted, then I will ask for it. Granted. I have two values over here, denied and granted. Check for the granted. If it is not granted, then I will call the default dialog of permission by using activity compact.request permission, in which I will set this dot array of camera permission, and I will set the request code over here 1, so that when I will come back from the dialog of request permission, you can do the coding for that also. Like please give me the permission for camera or something else. If the permission is already granted, I will call the start activity for result, then take the intent in it and make one more request code for the camera option, as previously we made it for the gallery activity, sorry, gallery option. Let's write it for 142. So this is the code for calling the intent of camera. Now I will check the same validation for camera also, with the help of else if, and change the request code over here. And when we come back from the camera intent, it will not access the data like this. It will pass the data from the extras. As is set it as bitmap and change it to set image bitmap. It is asking for the safe call, so here it is. Now just run the code and check that it is successful or not. It's getting installed and logs the activity. So now I'll check for the camera option. As the request is already granted to me for this application, I'll click the camera and save it. So it is shown over here. So that's all for today, guys. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, subscribe and comment on this video. Bye bye. Thanks.